What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back with the Postcard Tycoon, 6 years strong, stable company. WTM Pub has been around for 6 years with the Tycoon. This particular postcard pays out $300 per sale, guys. It comes with 250 postcards and 250 leads. Okay, as you can see, I've got my leads here. We're gonna mail out 250 postcards today. It comes with a website that you're gonna get as well. Okay, that's customized with your name and number on it. So when folks go to your website, they can sign up with you directly. This program is $4.98 to get started. Okay, and as I stated, you get paid $300 over and over and over and over again. Everybody that signs up with me in this one, I'm going to mail you 500 leads, okay, to kickstart your business. Plus, the company's going to send you 250. So now you have 750 leads to get your business going. Do you realize there's 750 possibilities out there, okay? So the Postcard Tycoon, go to the website, www.thepostcarddiva.com. Get started with me in that. Then we have postcards for Textbot, as you can see right here. You can call that number, 845-253-6408, from your smartphone. This bad boy spits out $100 over and over and over with the automated system. Artificial intelligence, okay? Ava's going to answer all your prospects' questions, okay, and get them started. You can actually sign up straight from your smartphone, okay? We take debit cards, credit cards. You can use Cash App, Venmo, however you want to get started. And you can accept payments any way you want. All right? That one's only going to be $110 to get started, guys. Okay? $100 up front to your referral and $10 a month. Okay? And then we've got the drop cards to go with it, as you can see. Check those out. You can take these when you're out and about and drop them along the way. You can see it looks like a real $100 bill, right? So either one of these, get started with either Textbot or with the Tycoon. All right? Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, guys. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.